Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a two color project which has a corner square done in the filet, worked in the filet crochet, and this is titled as corner filet. So if you want to have any filet pattern in the corner of your motifs, this is how it is worked. And this particular motif I worked with my hobby store 100% Aran acrylic anti-pillion and a 5 mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video without any delay. Chain 33, make one DC in the back loop of the fourth chain from the hook. This is the fourth chain. Make a double crochet, one double crochet in the next, and one double crochet in each stitch across. So complete the double crochets all across each of the chains. I shall get back. For row 2 you may chain 3 and turn, or turn and pull up the loop to the height of a double crochet, twist it and make a standing double crochet, standing twisted double crochet as the first one, and place one double crochet each on each of the next stitches, each of the next DCs that we have done in the first row. So rows 2, 3 and 4 are double crochet rows. So complete rows 2, 3 and 4, placing one double crochet each on each of the stitches. So I have completed row 4. For row 5 again you can turn and make the standing twisted double crochet as the first one. Otherwise you can chain 3 and turn. Chain 3 is considered as your double. Next, place one double crochet each on the next 10 double crochets. So don't count this, including this it will be 11. So 3, 6, 9, and the 10th double crochet, please do not complete the double. Bring the yarn to the front, join in color B. Chain 1, skip one DC and place a DC on the next. Chain 1, skip one DC in the next. This is the stitch pattern till the end. Chain 1, skip one DC. So we are making the fillet, and this is going to form the corner fillet for this particular motif. So continue till the end. I shall complete and get back. Come to the end of the row here. Now you have two options, either chain 4 and begin. Chain 4 is counted as 1 DC and chain 1, else turn your work, pull up the loop to the height of a double crochet, twist, hold and make the standing double crochet on the very first double crochet here. Chain 1, double crochet on double crochet, chain 1. So till this stitch you are going to make chain 1, double crochet on double crochet, chain 1, double crochet on double crochet. I have placed my last DC on the last DC of color B, row below. Now chain 1, and bring yarn B to the front and pick up yarn A and place a DC on DC. One DC on DC till the end. So I shall complete till the end and get back. So I have completed row 6 here. Now for row 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Repeat rows 5. And for rows 8, 10, 12, 14, repeat row 6. So at the end of row 15, fasten off the yarn and hide the yarn ends. So you will complete the square. I shall complete and get back. So I have completed row 15 and we can fasten off here and hide the yarns and hide these yarns too. So we complete the corner fillet crochet. This is titled as corner fillet crochet. In the corner we are making a square. How to make a square, how to join the yarn in between and work and go ahead. And how to do this invisible stitch here, I shall be posting another separate video. Okay. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Do like and share our videos. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe, do like and share, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you friends once again. Have a great day.